Live from downtown Bakersfield, 23 ABC News Midday starts now.
And good morning. Thanks for tuning in to 23 ABC News at 11 a.m. I'm Mike Hart. Topping our news at this hour, U.S. officials say a cruise ship with potentially ill passengers has docked this morning in New Jersey. Now this as the coronavirus outbreak continues to grow. 41 new cases have been diagnosed on a cruise ship that's being held off of Japan, bringing the total number to 61 so far. Hundreds of Americans are apparently on that ship, with nearly a dozen of them testing positive. ABC's Andrew Dymburt has more on what's being done to try and stop this spread.
New this afternoon, a plane carrying American evacuees from the coronavirus outbreak lands at the Marine Corps Air Station in Miramar, California. It's one of two State Department chartered evacuation flights from Wuhan, China, the epicenter of the epidemic. Sick at sea, 11 Americans now quarantined on the Diamond Princess cruise ship near Tokyo, Japan, after testing positive for the coronavirus. With conditions deteriorating on board, some 2,000 passengers are trapped in their rooms.
Nothing has changed. I mean, we're still in our cabins. A little scary to be on board, and the numbers just keep climbing.
Oregonian Rebecca Frazier, just one of the 41 new cases of coronavirus on this ship. It was supposed to be a 2-week cruise. Now, passengers are stuck for a month, forced to remain on board until late February.
They're somber. It's pretty quiet on the ship just because, I think everybody's still initially in shock.
The World Health Organization declaring the outbreak a global health emergency. One of the Chinese doctors who sounded the alarm about the coronavirus has now died from the disease. He was 34. And this morning, the first possible cases of coronavirus on board a ship docking in America. A Royal Caribbean ship arriving in Bayonne, New Jersey, with some Chinese nationals on board. More than 24 passengers were isolated and tested, and 4 were taken off the ship to be evaluated at a local hospital. All other passengers were cleared.
What if one of us had been hanging out with them or sitting right beside them or eating with them?
New this morning, President Trump speaking with China's President Xi, saying the two countries are working closely to combat the coronavirus.
They're working really hard, and I think they're doing a very professional job.
All week long, China's foreign minister has publicly criticized the U.S. for its response to the outbreak, despite working with American authorities and accepting U.S. aid to stop the spread. Andrew Dymburt, ABC News, Washington.